new Google services on Android 3.0. This is the new web browser specifically developed for the tablet. Here you'll see the scrollable widgets right available on my home screen. These are some of my bookmarks. I open up the browser. I have a large QWERTY keypad. I'm typing in a favorite website and opening up a new tab. So for the first time on Android, I have multiple tab browsing, just like you do on your home computer. And also supports Adobe Flash 10.1, so I can stream video right from the browser, as you would expect and want to do within the web browser. We also have a sneak peek of the Google Books service. It's going to be on Motorola Xoom. So if we open up and hit the books icon, this is the new Google ebook service. Over 3 million books already available in the bookstore. You can see this beautiful UI. It's again specifically developed for tablets. I'm scrolling through my books, opening them. These books are synchronized to my Google account, just like my contacts and Gmail are. So if I'm reading a book on my Android handset and then reading them on my Motorola Xoom tablet, it will immediately go to the last page that I read, which is pretty sweet. Another good overhaul of Google services, Google Maps. So this is Google Maps 5.0, the very latest Google Maps. It's vector-based maps rather than bitmaps, so you'll see as I zoom in, very fast rendering of the graphics, and again all touch-based, no hard key interaction. And as I manipulate around, I'm using multiple fingers to manipulate and drag up the buildings. I'm rotating around all with touch. And then I can zoom in on Times Square, and then hit Street View, I pinch the zoom, and I scroll around Times Square. So again, it's the new software and also the hardware capabilities of the Motorola Xoom. So that's just a few sneak peeks of what's to come. It's coming available in the US in Q1 and further markets from there on.
I see. Could you turn it around and show us some of the other...
So on the back I have 5 megapixel camera, dual LED flash, a power on and off button, and two speakers. On the front I have another camera which I use for web call, so it supports G-Talk. So anyone in my Google list that has a webcam, I can do G-Talk with. I have volume up and down, and then on the base I have HDMI out, so I can play those HD movies that I've captured with the camera onto my plasma screen, as well as micro USB for data synchronization.
What sort of accessories do you see?
So we've got a large range of accessories, portfolio cases, gel covers. We also have a couple of docks. One of the docks supports USB ports, so I can dock this and use this as my screen, and then a wired keyboard and wired mouse to use this as a mini computer.
Yeah, so would you say this could replace, say, a netbook or a notebook?
Absolutely, with the dual-core processing capabilities, the 1 gigabyte of RAM, 32 gigs of memory on board, micro SD card for more memory,
for expansion,
and then also cloud-based services. So things like the books, it's all synchronized in the cloud. So this is the way computing's going, and this is the definitive tablet launched here at CES.
Right. Thank you very much.